What's going on, guys? Mo with Live Life Trading here. I actually streamed this video not too long ago, but I'm not sure which account it actually streamed to. I got it figured out now. It actually says we're receiving this stream, so we're good to go. So let's get started. For those of you that don't know who I am or what it is that I do, I am the founder of Live Life Trading. We are a stock market community of like-minded individuals that teaches you how to safely invest in the stock market. Now, the beautiful thing about the stock market is you can literally do it from anywhere. So I was on vacation in Montreal not too long ago. I was trading stocks. I was making money. I make money from right there, which is my bed, um, every morning. So sometimes I don't even bother getting out of bed because I have my office in my room. We're good to go, right? So enough about me. That's my new screensaver. Kind of looks like one of those selfie lights or whatever the frick it's called, but I kind of like it. So anyways, let's go ahead. Let's start sharing my screen and look, it says live, we're good to go. So the profit that I made today, this is my Instagram account. It's Gemapelmo. If you want to follow me, go ahead and do that. If you haven't already, I post a lot of cool stuff. I post a lot of cool pictures, my vlog from Montreal, for example. Got a lot of cool things that I did out there. The coolest thing about this whole Instagram page is a lot of these pictures and a lot of these photos, a lot of these memories were all made thanks to the stock market. Because I'm able to trade wherever I am, wherever I go, I'm able to do all this kind of stuff, and I'm able to make places like this my backyard, right? And that's the most awesome feeling in the world. Anyways, I post my stories every day, or I post my profits every day on my Instagram. And so today you can see that I made exactly $100. So I took two different trades. One was both of them were 54.5 calls on TQQQ. So one of them expired 9th November, which is next week, and then the other one expires the 16th of November. On both of them, I made $50. Okay, so $100 total for the day. Now, if you want to join and you want to learn how to do this stuff yourself as well, just click this first link on my Instagram right here, and boom, this pops up right here. Okay, and click the free Discord group. It's free for the first 100 members only. So that invite link actually expires once it exceeds 100 members, and then you won't be able to join anymore, and that's when I'm going to be charging money for it. So get in there before it's too late for free and before I start charging money for it, because I'm going to be providing you with a lot of valuable information. Okay, so enough about that. Let's get into the stocks. Perfect. This is ticker symbol TQQQ. It trades based off of index QQQ, which also follows /ES and /NQ, depending on which one you prefer to follow. They all have a similar pattern, so you can trade any of them. So basically, TQQQ is an ETF. So if QQQ goes up 1 cent, that means this one goes up 3 cents. The inverse of that is SQQQ, which is the short index. So if QQQ goes up 1 cent, then SQQQ goes up 3 cents. Okay, so it's the inverse. So, oh, I messed that up real bad. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let me explain this a little bit better. Let's just stick with NQ, okay? If NQ goes up 1 cent, then TQQQ will go up 3 cents. If NQ goes down 1 cent, then SQQQ will go up 3 cents. So SQQ is the inverse ETF, which means if the following index goes down, then the SQQQ will go up. TQQQ just follows NQ, and if NQ goes up 1 cent, this one goes up 3 cents. So I hope I made that a little bit clearer. I am going to be making a video explaining the ETFs, and hopefully a lot better than I just did right there. I'm sorry about that. There's a lot of cues in everything I just said, so it's kind of hard to talk. But anyways, let's go on. Let's talk about the trade. If you don't understand any of this, don't worry about it. I am releasing my course very soon, and I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do what I do and exactly how you can start making $100 a day as well. Now, both of these trades required less than 3 grand for me to place. Now, usually when I trade, I usually make about $200 to $400 a day. I aim for about 10% per trade. Now, that's a little bit aggressive. Today, I only made around 1.7, 2.5-ish% on the day, which is my old targets. But because the stock market has been so wobbly lately, and it has been very unstable, it has also been dropping a lot. All of October, the Dow has dropped like nonstop. So I didn't really want to risk too much with these trades. So I went in with half of my normal position, and I also aimed for about half of my normal target, right? So my first trade I took at exactly, let me see here, I took it at exactly 8:59 a.m. So 8:59 a.m. is right here. So 8:59 a.m. This candle right here, as soon as this candle broke above this blue EMA line, do you see how it was going down here? It was under the EMA line, it was under, it broke below, and then it stayed here, and then it confirmed the reversal at 9:59, which is exactly when I took a position, right when the candle started trending above this blue EMA line right here. So I took my position right here, and I bought 295 calls. Okay, I waited exactly 1 minute, and I sold it right at the top here at 9 o'clock, and I made 50 bucks in 1 minute. Fantastic, right? I saw this resistance forming right here, so I figured, might as well lock in profits. You see this resistance right here? If I were to draw the line in right there, because I saw this resistance and because I noticed it, I had a feeling that it was going to start trending back down. And of course, I could have held it all the way and sold it right here. But hey, once you're up, right? So take your profits. Don't be greedy. 50 bucks in 1 minute is not that bad. I know people that don't even make 50 bucks in an hour. So the next trade that I took was the exact same ticker. I just traded this all day long. I usually wake up around 6:37 every morning, but I was a little tired last night, so I slept in a little bit. First thing I did when I woke up was I checked my stocks, right? And literally my bed's right here, so I just hop over into this chair, and then I fired this up, right? And that's usually how I trade every morning. Now, I made 50 bucks. I didn't want to be too greedy. I was like, you know what? The stock market's been a little rough lately. I don't want to force my trades. I don't want to do anything like that. I'm just going to take a break. I'm going to go do some other things. So I did that, and then I came back. And I traded this again. I took another position at 12:45, which is right here. So once again, right as the candle broke above this blue EMA line, when the direction started pointing up instead of down, do you see this again? The candles broke below the EMA line, which means this is heading into a downtrend. Downtrend, downtrend, bounced off this green SMA and started pushing up. Right as it started pushing up, right as it broke above this blue EMA line, I took another position. See how easy it is? Just literally follow the pattern. I took another position right here. This time I actually held it a little bit longer because I was trying to sell it right here at the top of this candle, but unfortunately I didn't get filled. So I ended up having to hold it all the way throughout here. I sold it at 12:57. So that is a 12:45 to 12:57. That's about a that's a little bit longer than 7 minutes. That's about a 12-minute trade, right? So I sold it right here. Boom. Not quite the top, but just about there. Not quite the bottom, but just about there. But hey, it doesn't matter. I made another 50 bucks within 12 minutes, so I spent 13 minutes total trading my stocks for the day, and that was it. That's $100 a day. Now, this might seem difficult, but I guarantee you, if with the right training and the right education, you can do this on a daily basis. It can replace your regular income. Now, like I said, I usually make between $200 to $400 a day. Today was a very slow day for me, as was yesterday. And that's literally just because the stock market has been very shaky, and it's hard to hold things overnight nowadays. So I wasn't greedy today. I was up 50 bucks. I took my profits. I was up another 50 bucks. I took my profits. I was like, okay, I made $100 today. That's not bad. In 13 minutes, in less than 15 minutes, I made $100. And if you join Live Life Trading, I will teach you how to do the same thing too. All right, so that's it for me, guys. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys have an amazing day today. Get out and do what you love. It's a beautiful day out here in Calgary. It's going to start snowing later today, so hopefully I get a chance to go outside and actually do something. But regardless of the matter, first link in the description is my free Discord group. So first 100 members, join it now before it fills up. Make sure you give a like on this video if you liked it, and obviously subscribe as well to see more content from me. I will be pumping out videos like crazy, at least once a day. So I'm going to be doing that. I want to be recapping my trades. I want to be doing watch list videos and all that stuff. So I'll usually be doing that free market right before market opens. Okay, so make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. Check out my Instagram. Check out that free Discord group before it fills up. Remember, it's free for the first 100 members only. Any questions you have, feel free to message me on Discord. I will respond within 24 to 48 hours. And let's enjoy the rest of our day. Happy trading, teams.